had the public adjuster come through saying they would be able to help me out to get my roof replaced. I signed the contract with them. They work with the insurance carrier. That went on for more than a year. The public adjuster takes 25% of what you have. So basically you only left with a small portion that doesn't even cover the replacement of the roof. My conclusion is I would never use a public adjuster again. I would, if I have a roofing problem, I will go to a roofing company.
Calloway Roofing is a licensed building and roofing contractor serving Orlando and all of Central Florida. Calloway Roofing prides itself on a quality of service protocol designed to deliver an industry standards-based registered roof installation while keeping our customers completely in the loop at all stages of the build.
I believe that my file has been one of the most difficult ones that you just mentioned, and you've been very patient with me, and your girls in the office are wonderful. They keep me updated all the time. If I don't answer, they call me, and they just want to make sure that they get the message through, and they let me know what's going on step by step.
If a homeowner is dissatisfied with any aspect of the process, then dialing 407-792-1095 and asking to speak to a partner manager will put the homeowner directly in contact with one of the owners of the company. This is not only our service of quality protocol at work, but an integral part of our installation guarantee. Calloway Roofing believes in transparency with you, the homeowner, at every stage in the process.
Well, I like the professionalism of them doing a very detailed inspection and taking a multitude of photos and showing me the difference between what some companies use and then what the housing code requires. I like that.
Every roof inspection will be photographed and documented to your benefit, and you will always be provided with a free copy of the photographs. Calloway Roofing has written references, actual job sites, and multitudes of non-paid customer reviews and testimonials readily available to you upon request.
We have an interesting experience, a comparison between a standard insurance company and another one that is a right to repair. And what we've learned is that
we've learned a lot.
Well, yeah, we've learned a lot, but the bottom line is that if we couldn't do it without Calloway. There's no way.
Oh, I asked the adjuster how he felt about us signing. And my insurance company said they have never, ever had any trouble with Calloway. Don't ever doubt them. I'll tell you, they've been just wonderful. We did the right thing when we signed with them.
I was so much more impressed with the information that you had, things that you shared with us about our mortgages, our mortgage company, our insurance. I mean, I was so impressed. What you were saying, that you were being honest, that it was true. We canceled our other contract and we decided to go with Calloway, and I am so thankful that we did.
It is the only way to become a better company as we complete your repairs in accordance with all industry standards and Florida Building Code requirements, and the confidence bestowed on us by the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation.
You know, you're very professional, you know what you're doing, and that gives me as a customer confidence.
Thank you for listening to our brief presentation of Calloway Roofing here, and at the opportunity provided by you to assist in the proper servicing and restoration of your home. Please call or schedule online at your convenience and ask for a free roof evaluation or estimate. Have a wonderful day.